Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to look at multiprocessing. Now one thing that I want all of you to understand is like intermediate concepts or more like advanced concepts like multiprocessing and multithreading are not these one line of code that we are writing over here. There are a lot of complexities, and this is like a beginner friendly video if you're new to programming or if you're new to multi-threading and multiprocessing. So just remember, when you write this does not mean that you know what multiprocessing and multi-threading is. So this is a beginner focused program. So always keep that in mind. So in multiprocessing, it's similar to multi-threading. We import the multiprocessing module and import process method from it, and then we use the same logic. So I'm calculating the area pi r square and printing it out. I have a list of processes for every CPU count. I'm creating a process, giving that process a target and adding that process in our process list. At the end, I have if name is equal to main, I will start the process and join the process. This join is there because we need a parent process to start all the child processes and wait until all of these are finished. Then the parent process will finish, and that is why we have the join method. Now we have the CPU, we have the task manager over here, I have the threading module over here, and I will run this and you will see what happens. So you will see we have one console window host, which is this. We have PyCharm and we have our Python terminal that is actually running this. So it has not completed, it is still running that, but I will stop this because now you can see what happened. Let's go back to multiprocessing. Now multithreading is one process that has multiple threads that is running all this. So all of these are being generated from a thread, but they still belong to one process. Multiprocessing, on the other hand, is multiple processes, not threads, multiple processes. What this means is if I run this, let me add one more zero. If I run this, you're going to see something different over here. I want you to focus on what we see over here. So once I run this, you will see I have multiple Python terminals. And the reason behind this is because I'm starting multiple processes, not multiple threads. Here we had one process running all the threads. Here we have multiple processes. I can stop this again, go back to thread, run this. You will not see any more changes because this process, this Python process is running all the threads, and this is what is handling everything. If I come back to this one, multiprocess, and run this, you will see all the processes starting. So that's the biggest difference. In multiprocessing, you are starting off new processes. You're not working off one process and multiple threads. You're starting off new processes that is executing this function in parallel. So I think that is it. You can see the CPU usage is over the top. And the reason behind that is because this is more stressful on the CPU because it is handling so many processes. This is like too much for my CPU because it is starting so many processes. And if I kill this now, you will see this drop significantly. And that's how, and my CPU is like running really fast. I can hear it from the fan. But that is basically how multiprocessing works. My memory is also kind of full. So anyway, I hope this was helpful, guys. This is just the beginning. I'll be making more videos on multi-threading and multiprocessing. We are going to go into details, so keep an eye for those videos. And I think that is it for this video, guys. And I will see you guys in the next one.